Welcome to Section 7, Extending GitLab. Integration with external tools. In this video, we are going to look at how we can use webhooks, how can we integrate GitLab with other applications, and how can we trigger CI pipelines externally with triggers. Okay, let's take a look how can we integrate GitLab with other services. Let's go to Settings and select Integrations. We'll see two sections, Integrations sections and Project Services section. In Project Services section, there are already predefined applications we can use to connect GitLab with. For example, we can connect GitLab with Asana, Bugzilla, GitHub, or Jira, and many more. For example, let's set the pipeline's email status to be sent. For example, let's set pipeline's emails. Here we can activate the service, set the recipients, and we can have another options. For example, we can send email only with pipeline broke. Test and save settings. We'll see that now we have green dot with pipeline emails. If application we want to trigger event is not listed in the application section, we can also use webhooks. Webhooks are more universal way to trigger something with other application. So in GitLab, we can trigger webhooks on different events. For example, when wiki page is created, if pipeline status changes, if issue is created, updated, or merged, if new comment is added. This integration is pretty simple. We only need the endpoint we should trigger, secret token if this should be. We only need three things to activate webhook. We need the application's endpoint, secret token if needed, and we need to select trigger, for example, on comments. With webhooks and project services, GitLab's actually triggered some external services. But there is another option. GitLab can also receive triggers. For example, let's go to Settings CI and open Pipeline Triggers. Pipeline triggers allow us to actually trigger pipelines in GitLab from external application. Pipeline triggers actually allow us to trigger pipeline from external applications. For example, we can trigger pipeline on other project when, for example, pipeline succeeded in first project. Everything we need to do is add another trigger and we get a token. With this token, we can trigger pipeline on our specific project. In this video, we took a look at webhooks, triggers, and external applications.